Hello, friends. This is your friend Home for Roses, and today is Saturday, the 5th of November. I'm doing a recap of how my forex for the week went. If you can recall, the forecast we made for the week were bearish. I was like, selling more than I'm buying. So these are the mapped out areas I was looking at. I'll draw on liquidity on this zone and finally on this zone. As you can see, we achieved the draw on liquidity, but guess what? I was not in this trade because I didn't get the right entry that I was looking at for, and then I wasn't watching the market like I always said. And there's no need of you chasing after the market. I was looking for entry somewhere here. This is where I was expecting the market to return back to this place on 15-minute time frame, but it never got to that zone, and I didn't want to chase the market, so I allow it to slide, as you can see in the recording on my video. So we are bearish one, so we achieve our bearish scenario. I missed the trade because it didn't get to my expected entry, which is the zone, and at the time I was looking for it. So British pound USD was a good, it played out very well, but I was not in the trade. All right, so if we drop then to the British pound, sorry, to the British JPY. So this is it. Also, we were also expecting, I said we are looking for more of sell than buying. Yeah, I was in this particular trade here, as you also see in the recording on the phone. This is it. I took the trade using the 50-minute time frame. On Tuesday, I was in this particular trade. Okay, this is it. This is my entry, exactly the zone map. That was my entry, as you will also see it playing out on the recording. So we took the trade. We were able to achieve our draw on liquidity on British JPY, as you can see, and exceeded it. I was actually looking, I wasn't expecting it to get to the zone, so we exceeded our expectation on British JPY, and then price started to rally up. I took a trade also on Euro USD, which went to loss, as you can also see. In that, I knew that it would go down, but actually I bought it here, and then price started to, I bought it here, price rallied up a little bit and started to drop back more into our draw on liquidity on the higher time frame, as you also see it on the recording aspect. This is draw on liquidity. I mapped out last week. It never got to that zone. So this week, the I mapped out this on the previous week, so it never got to that zone until last week. It now got to that zone. So all draw on liquidity has been achieved. We had win, we had losses, and as you also see how it played out, that was it for the recap on the forex. British pound USD, British JPY, and Euro USD. Those are the three pairs that I took this particular week. How was your own trade? Was it awesome? Was it beautiful? Was there any loss? Drop it on the section. Let's see it together, and if you have any question, you can also go ahead and ask